Hello guys, I recently received my Aliexpress order, well one of my orders, so I wanted to open that on camera and show you everything that I got. All of these are sticker items that I can use in my travel journal or my bullet journal or my scrapbook, so I'm very excited to use these. I ordered this on March 15th and it just came yesterday, which was May 4th, so it took well over a month to get here, but that's expected when I order stuff on AliExpress, so I'm not too upset about that. Oh, as you can see, I ordered this one twice by accident, but there is one sticker in the box that's different, so I don't know what's up with that. It's probably just my mistake, I don't know. This box here is probably my least favorite one. No, for sure it's my least favorite one out of all the ones I got. I just don't think they're that pretty. I'll still use them though. Oh, I really like this one. This one I plan to use for all my camping trips or whenever I'm doing any hiking or anything nature related. I think it would be really pretty. I'm planning on quite a few camping trips this summer, so I'm excited to use those. As I said, most of these are going to be for my travel journal, so you'll see that most of these stickers are travel related. I like these ones. These ones look like little luggage tags and they have airport codes on them, so I think I'll be saving them for whenever I'm going to that specific country. Oh yay, Toronto is the first one. That's where I'm from and it was right on top. Yeah, I think these are really pretty and I love the vivid colors in contrast to all the other ones, which were more softer, muted watercolors. I really like the set as well, so I can document the weather if it was anything significant, like when I went to Japan there was a typhoon. That sticker was ripped. These ones are also really pretty. Again, they're all travel landmark stickers, so I would save them whenever I'm going to that specific destination. I love hot air balloons so much. Anything like with a hot air balloon on it, I'm sold instantly. These ones have more of a clear backing, I guess you could say. They're more translucent than the other ones, which are on a solid white backing. And these ones are a little different. These are also on a clear backing as well, and they look more translucent too. And I think they're really pretty. They're very whimsical. These are definitely more for like creative journaling or just more creative spreads in general, but I'm sure I'll use them as well. I love the sceneries on here. The cherry blossoms I think are really pretty, and I love the mountain scene and the nighttime scenes as well. The only thing I wish that it had was some like gold or silver accents on it, like the other two packs have in the back, but I still think these would be really pretty and I'm sure I can use them somehow. So I'm wondering, how do you guys store your stickers? I don't know if I should take them out of the boxes or just leave them in the boxes. I feel like if I take them out I would get confused, but now I'll just have a bunch of tiny boxes and I have more coming in the mail. I really like this set. I think it's really whimsical. The windows are so pretty. I love the silver foiling on it. I don't really know when I'd use these ones, but I'll find something to use it for. Oh, the castle ones I would definitely save for my Disney trip in December, if that's still happening with everything that's going on. So if you want to see any of these stickers up close, you can just pause the video and take a look. I really like the balloons as well. I think this is definitely my favorite set out of all of them. Again, I love anything travel related, and this set is full of ticket stubs and immigration stamps, parking meters, concert tickets. I just really like it. So I was spreading them out to see how many of each one I had, and I realized that these two were stuck together. And that's okay. I think it's just like a quality control issue. I'm not upset about it. I just peeled it back slowly and made sure that it was stuck back onto the sticker backing. So that's everything that I've got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.